Okay friends, let's create this last part. So first I select OEZ plane and I go to sketch and select draw one simple circle. Here the diameter value 4 mm and exit from the workbench and select pad. Here the value 12.5 mm and mirrored extent and click OK. Next I select this OEZ plane and I go to position sketch and I change this direction of this to axis here and click OK. And I select profile option here and I draw one profile like this. Choose 3-point arc and I select constraint. This one is 4 mm. This length 2 mm. The arc radius 8 mm. And still our profile is not fully constrained, so I relate our profile with this edge. This one is coincidence. That's all. Now you see it's fully constrained and come out from the workbench. After that I select soft option and our rotation axis Z axis and click OK. After that mirror this soft to other side, so I select mirror option and click yes. Here the mirroring element XY plane is our mirroring element and click OK and click OK. Cancel this RV and unhide this. I don't know why it's not mirrored this side, so I'm going to unhide this sketch. Next I'm going to go to generative shape design. In generative shape design, use the symmetry option to mirror this profile to another side. Here I select XY plane as my mirroring element and click OK. And again come to part design and select soft. The profile, this is our profile, and the rotation axis Z axis and click OK. That's all. We finished our last part. Okay, I am going to property and here I select this color and apply and OK. Okay guys, I save this pin and click save. We finished our part modeling. Next assembly design, so I go to mechanical design and assembly design.